Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we have one news to render. One has to do with UGM, what they are doing in Southeast, and the warning they have given to Southeasterners over the detention of Nnamdi Kanu. And they are very broad in their activities. And another very quickly is political party APGA have given a warning letter, a warning to Governor Uzodinma to get ready before 2023 to do the needful. Before we go to the newspaper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let's start with what happened in Anambra State with the UGM. UGM have brought down a mobile policeman in Iziamaoli in Ihiala local government area of Anambra State. According to a report by leadership, the victim is said to be one of the two mobile police operatives providing security for a team of health officials carrying out vaccination exercise at Iziamaoli Health Center. It was learned that the UGM had stormed the health center and opened fire on the two police operatives, bringing down one. The second mobile policeman was said to have escaped. It was also gathered that the UGM, who invaded the community, banned the people from holding any social event. You people, I'm quoting them, you people should not be celebrating while our leader Nnamdi Kanu is languishing in DSS detention. Iziamaoli is one of the border towns of Anambra State that is close to Olu area of Imo State. That's the shared borderline between Imo and Anambra. A source in the area told the newspaper that the people of the community have been living in constant fear because of the invasion of the area by UGM. When contacted, Ikenga Tochukwu, the spokesperson for Anambra State Police Command, he requested that the report be forwarded to him first for verification. Afterwards, efforts to reach him afterwards proved abortive. Well, in another news very quickly, APGA have also decided to sound this note of warning to Governor Uzodinma of Imo State. Well, the Imo State chapter of the Grand Alliance, All Progressive Grand Alliance, APGA, has urged Governor Uzodinma to start preparing his handover note ahead of the 2023 general elections for what it described as his failure to provide good governance and curbing security in the state. The chairman of the party, Comrade John Iwala, gave the advice yesterday while speaking at the funeral of chairman of the Isiala Mbano Council of the party, Austin Amocha. Iwala, who also urged Imo citizens to work together and vote out Uzodinma in next election, said APGA is the only alternative political platform for any reasonable fight against insecurity, maladministration, and bad governance. Uzodinma should by now start preparing his handover note for the APGA candidate because I am 100% certain that he will be voted out, and what happened in Anambra State will have ripple effect not only in Imo State but also in the other states of the Southeast. I don't think the governor has the capacity to handle the security challenges in the state. We need Imo people to join efforts to vote this government out because we have records of Uzodinma's executive lies, his atrocities, and executive rascality. So come 2023 or 2024, we will send them out of government house or worry. Iwala also said APGA would be pleased to receive the likes of former Governor Roger Sokorocha, immediate past Governor MNK and Uche Nwosu if they wish to join the party. If they have the intention of joining APGA, it will be a welcome development. APGA is a party of the grassroots. Our doors are wide open to receive them into the party. They are all welcomed. I also know there have been some overtures of most of them trying to join APGA, but they should know that in APGA we obey the party's constitution and we are guided by the principle of the law, he stated. Well, a lot of people have reacted to some of the statements they made. Don't forget that in recent past there have been rumored relationship tickets between Senator Honorable MNK and Uche Nwosu. But a lot of people, even in our comment section when we did the video, a lot of people were saying that it's really wrong. Let me quote one of our farm members. He said something very unique. He said, sorry, I take that again. He said, Emeka Ihedioha already have good pedigree with the people. There's something that I'm going to borrow his words now. He said, already Okorocha and Uche Nwosu Uzodinma do not have the goodwill of the people per se. Say, but Emeka Ihedioha already have that. If you check the last election, which I tend to agree with him, he says if you check the last election, it was more like Ihedioha had a smooth ride. So that if Ihedioha now has any collabo with the Rogers Okorocha's family, he's going to dent his image. I mean, actually reduce, his own pedigree, because already Imolites are tired of the Okorochas, the Uzodinmas, according to his analogy, and it made a lot of sense. But now people are now saying that what is going on right now, any kind of affiliation between the two may not really favor Emeka Ihedioha. But let's find out what people are saying concerning this particular one. This one here is saying Igbos and the politics of regionalization. Regional IPGA will further alienate them from the center, and you will hear them scream marginalization. Alright, this one is saying that APGA is more a southeastern political party. It will not help them much when it comes to the issue of presidency. Igbo presidency come 2023. That would have been better. They align more with the central party like PDP. That's personal opinion though. This one here is saying you see how your brain functions. So joining another political party that isn't APC is hate. This is the kind of people in the same country with me. This one here say bandits, we don't need APC people. Okay, but now let's look at it. There's another statement in the first news where UGM has said that nobody should be celebrating because Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. And one of the people who one of the reporters in that area found out that the very area in particular share borderline between Anambra and Imo. It's that particular community have always been, having infiltrations of UGM. Now, people are busy having some sort of, immunization and they had to even go with security personnel. What has immunization or celebrating Utah got to do with detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Even if you want everybody to, align with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you not making your people happy will worsen it. And don't forget this issue of UGM. A lot of people have been unmaxing UGM and saying that UGM in particular may not be, quote unquote, the handwriting or the hand figures or even affiliated in any way to ESN or IPOB. UGM is a general acronym now used for those who cause insecurity, especially in Nigeria, particularly in Southeast. So they may be using that as a font. It may or it may not be. But, over the few days that have rolled past, we have seen that UGM could actually be anybody or anyone behind it. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section.